Hello, today we are working on lab 14.1.5 and we are going to configure an iSCSI target. Alright, so let's start up right away. In this lab, your task is to create an iSCSI virtual disk and card. Alright, so let's expand this and go to File and Storage, iSCSI 7 volumes, storage pool shares. Okay, so iSCSI, we'll go to Task and New iSCS Virtual Disk. And we are going to, from our task here, use volume D. So we go to volume D and next, and the second task is set the name to iSCSI 1. So we type in the name iSCSI disk 1. Then we go to next, and then we set the size to 5 terabytes. So this is going to be 5 terabytes. We change this to terabytes. Alright, so set the disk type to dynamically expanding. So we check dynamically expanding and click next. So we're going to assign a new iSCSI target called SCSIT agent. So we click next and then iSCSI agent 1, target 1, iSCSI target 1, and we click next, and then we are going to specify CompTIA 16 as an iSCSI initiator server with access to the virtual disk. So we go here and we add and we browse and we enter CompTIA 16 and check name. Let's see, okay, and then click next and create. So this is completed. So we click close, and I guess that is all we need to do right here. So let's go ahead and check our answers. Alright, so everything seems correct. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.